Transport safety and security has become a big agenda item due to both natural disasters affecting transport networks such as fire, flood and earthquake, and man-made terrorist activities that have affected a number of metro systems in Europe. So to be able to determine what the incidents are as quickly as possible and to guide people out intelligently and support the rescue workers who will go in and save people is very, very important. And the technologies and the systems that we've developed here, I think, are a quantum leap forward in what we can do in the future. It's making our cities more intelligent, it's making our transport systems more intelligent, and it's using really intelligent solutions for the safety of the public of Europe.
Time is a key issue in managing emergencies. In some cases, an emergency may need minutes or may allow rescue teams to get to the place in tens of minutes. Sometimes seconds may make the difference between life and death. If you have to escape from a place like this metro station, you may have an easy way out going in the opposite direction of a fire. But it is not always a good choice. The solution could be counterintuitive, and you may need to take decisions that go outside of your normal way of managing emergencies. Especially disabled people may have different times in escaping from a place, confined space, where they are not familiar. During 3 years, the project SaveME has developed a system which is able to collect information from the scene and to use them to calculate the best escape route for each person in the area. This information are made available through panels or on the individual handsets of the people. They would receive individual guidance, especially if they are belonging to special groups like children or elderly people. They would receive special instructions on how to evacuate. All in all, this system will be able to empower people to self-save themselves from danger and make the work of rescue teams easier during a large disaster. This is what we think SaveME has done, and we hope it will become a standard for the next safety systems.
The key challenge in the project has been the integration of all sub-modules into one holistic system, bridging the inputs from the mathematical simulations for the prediction of the movement of the travelers and the sensors that detect an emergency incident such as fire and smoke. This challenge has been achieved with the development of the decision support system, which constitutes the core part of the SaveME regarding the communication with the wireless sensor network and the simulation platform. The decision support system is responsible to determine personalized and group-wise evacuation routes according to various criteria, such as, for example, distance of a person from the nearest exit, time and environmental restrictions, etc. For the personalized routing specifically, the system takes into account the individual user profile, such as a possible disability, and the traveler is informed through his mobile phone. Also, the system provides routing for rescuers through their PDAs. Moreover, the SaveME system is able to detect whether a traveler does not follow the initial evacuation route provided by the decision support system and can react immediately to inform the user or to recalculate a new evacuation route if necessary.
SaveME employs simulation and visualization services to deliver both functional operational capability and a visualization system that provides contextual situational awareness. At the functional level, simulation services are used in concert with the DSS to plan evacuation routes based on real-time sensor data received from within the facility. The DSS coordinates sensor data for localization and environmental situation, delivers that to the simulation system, which in turn calculates optimal dwell times for each node within the facility, as well as the likely evacuation routes for each class of traveller found within that facility. The result of this simulation process may then be visualized in a three-dimensional virtual world, providing a one-to-one representation of the facility under SaveME protection. The combination of simulation and visualization gives a real-time external view of what is happening within the facility.